When it comes to actually processing a payroll batch in the software, most of this program is all about setting it up so that everything's automated. So as an actual use case for a user, your main areas are going to be managing employees, where we were just in, importing time into the hours detail table, where you've got a time import that's been configured and you import your hours, and then processing a payroll batch. And so what you're going to do to process a payroll batch is open the batch processing, click new, you select your pay cycle, you would select your pay cycle period, adjust your payment date or posting date, you select your calc formula, which is just the hierarchy of payroll codes to give you gross to net pay. Generally, you might see an example like with regular payroll calc formula, you've got gross earnings, deductions, withholdings, employer taxes, employer contributions, net check. But maybe you have bonus pays where it's just gross pay, or it's gross pay minus a flat % to be withheld, or something like that. So payroll calc formulas are just a way to help you seamlessly, quickly structure a payroll batch based on the specific parameters. And then when you're ready to actually generate your batch, post your batch, you can dive into the payroll batch and go through the process. So you can select the payroll documents. If you're doing direct deposit, you export the notcha file and then you submit that to your bank. If you're doing any checks, you print your checks. You can print or you can email your check stubs. So if you want to just email the check stubs to the employees from the batch process, you can. If you want to kind of automatically skip this step, you can always email what we call, it triggers a blank check stub to be emailed, but then it posts the actual check stub on the portal that we looked at earlier. So, and there's just different ways how you want to set that up based on what your access points are for your employees. And then you post.